What's up, guys? Welcome to the next video on C++ preprocessor macro. Alright, so in this video we're gonna explain the C++ directive, the line directive, which is the C++ predefined macro name. Alright, so how do we do this macro line? So that's line. Alright, so the line directive change the contents of the line and file. So how it affects, how do we do this line? So what we do is that the line number, so we put the number here, so we put a number 1, our number 2, our number 100, and then you put a file number here, file name, so any file name here. Alright, so the simplest term here is that we do line. Alright, so once our line is defined, so what we do is that, say you guys can put 100. Alright, so this 5, so you put a line, say the line 5 here, which is parallel to this one, and the line 6, 7, 8 line, and you guys put it here. The line number is, and then you guys put it here and put the two lines here, and put a capital line underscore, two underscore here and two underscore at the front. It's like Python, the two underscore here and the two underscore there. Alright, so it says the line number is 8. Is it 8? Looks like the line number is 9. So that's number 8. And yes, the line number is 8. So number 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is the line number 9. So if we say the line number is 500, so what we say, if we say the line number is 500, okay, we save it. Okay, so it says the line number is 503, so 501, 502, 503. So I hope you guys got the concept of what to do. Say if you put the line number, say 1000, and you guys watch what happens with this line number. So it says the line number is 1003, so 1001, so if it's 1000, 1001, 2 and 3, that's what it says, the line number 1003. So that's what the line number. Okay, so we come here, and you guys might see in C and C++, you guys see this hash just by itself and double hash. So what it means, this single hash and double hash. So because the C++ also support this single hash and double hash, so you guys can use this in conjunction with the define. And we show you guys how to say use this. If you guys see that, don't be confused, because C++ also support these ones, the single one and the single one and double hash. How we use this single hash? So first what we do is that we define. So in the define, we make make string mkstr, and say we put a in the mkstr a, and then you guys put a hash, and then you put a. So then you guys come here and you clear this, and you guys do the same thing, mkstr, and then you guys can put your name. My name is Yazdani. In my case, you can put your own name, maybe whatever your name is. Alright, so just wanted to define this single. So we define here, and then we put a make string mkstr, and we put it on top, that this one a, and then hash a. So this hash a is going to convert our string, this one. So we go ahead, and I'm going to show you guys here. It says my name is Yazdani, and you guys must be thinking, wow, we did not put literal string here, that to say my name is Yazdani. Yeah, yes, because we did not put this literal string. All we did that we define here our make string a, then put a hash a to translate this one, and they translate this string here. So my name is Yazdani. You can put anything else. So you can put C++, awesome, or I like C++, or you guys can put anything. I live in such and such country, or I love blah blah blah, anything you guys, as long as you guys like to put any string. So you guys can put a I love computers. Alright, so and that's gonna convert this single hash, is gonna convert it into the string. You guys see this, and I love computers. So that's what this single hash does. And what about the double? So you guys might see the double as well. Don't be confused, because the double ones is for concatenation. So what is concatenation? Is that you guys join the two. Say you guys join 1 plus 2. I know this is a plus, this is arithmetic, but you guys join two strings. You guys can do with the plus as well. And how do we do that? So what we do is that instead of mk string, you guys can put a concat, and you guys can put a and b. Say for example a and b, and you guys put a double. Sorry, you guys put a double b, and now it's ready. All right, so we come here and we do int. Say you guys can put x and y, and you guys can put a say x and y is equal to 300. All right, so we put a c out, concat. All right, so that's concat, and that's x and y. All right, so okay, because we don't have to put this comma at the in between, because we need to concatenate this x and y. So this x and y is 300 now, even though this x and y is separate here. So but we put it together just in case you guys see this single and double one in somewhere in C++ programs, so at least you guys know that what it means. And if you guys got any question or comment, just leave it below. Otherwise I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.